Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? It's Berardo here, and today I'm going to review hot air brush tool that I got from Lidl supermarket actually some time ago, but I did not have time to review it yet. However, I feel it's a really nice product, so I just wanted to share with you. It's by Silvercrest, which is exclusive to Lidl supermarket. I believe it's their brand. So they will occasionally come up with these offers. They will have them at really good price. Now I cannot remember the exact price of this one, but it's like the whole kit that I'm going to show you now. The option was the pink one and just regular black, but obviously I really prefer this girly pink. These hot air brushes are very popular because in easy way you can achieve really, cool, trendy hairstyles like in professional salon. I got all my tools inside of this black pouch. As you can see, it does not have any logo or anything, but it's, just simple black pouch. And then you open it and it has a lot of different tools inside. So to be honest with you, some of them I never even tried, but I'm going to do it today in this video. So the one that I really like and use the most is this one. You will also get this one here, which is actually very similar, but this one is a bit bigger. So it's supposed to do like bigger waves, like more loose ones, whereas this one, it's a little bit more pointy and a bit more narrow. And then you will get this one, which is really cool. Actually this one acts like a hair straightener, so it's really good for like second day hair, I would say, or if you have naturally quite straight hair. For example, when I wash my hair and after I'm done blow drying it, I need to straighten it with a real hair straightener. With these tools here, it will just not be perfectly straight because my hair is that texture, where it's a little bit unruly and a bit wild. It's not curly, but it's not straight either. It's like somewhere in between. So I really need good, straightening tool. But this one is great, I think, for like second day hair or third day hair. If you just want to, straighten it a bit, look a bit more, styled. We have this tool here, which is just like a hot air brush thing. I'm not exactly sure what this does and how it's different from this, for example. And then you will get this one here, which is supposed to give you even better curls, but I haven't tried this yet because I have another, curling one that I use. And then you will also get this, which is like a little blow dryer thing. So it kind of reminds me on Dyson, but not really, but kind of. Let's start from the beginning. It's very easy to switch them up, and it's very easy to just place them. You're supposed to push them down at the center and just do a little twist like this. You hear this click sound, it means that you attached it well. You can also have this like cool air option, which now I turned off. There you go. And then you also have this 0, 1, 2 settings, so now it's turned off. 1 is medium power and 2 is maximum power. And if you want to change the tool, you're supposed to just press this button which says push. So you press it, you just pull it, and that's that. So shall we try this one first? Let's see. Okay, my hair is already dry, so there is no point in drying it, right? But I just wanted to show you how it works and the sound that it produces. So it's not, too loud or anything like that. I don't know if this would dry perfectly my hair. Maybe this works when your hair is like half dry already. Or if you have medium or short hair. My hair is pretty long, as you can see. you know, I just keep it in a towel for like 15 minutes or something like that, and then I just blow dry my hair, and then I hair straighten it. So I don't know how long it would take me to blow dry it with this. Maybe I will try it once, just because I'm very curious. And then let's try this tool here. I'm just going to put it to medium setting. Okay, so I tested out just a little bit just to see the effect of it. So I can see for myself personally, I don't really need this because, as I said, I prefer hair straightener, because with the hair straightener I just have better result. This, however, is nice because it glides through my hair, so it's not pulling my hair, which is really nice. It's very easy to use. And as I've said, I believe it would be good on like second or third day hair, just to style it a little bit, you know, because I only straighten my hair once. So for example, the first day I wash my hair, blow dry my hair and straighten my hair, and then the next day I will probably just, you know, style it with the comb and fingers and just, you know, hope for the best. But with this tool here, I believe I could, you know, just make a little bit more polished look, I suppose. So it's another good tool, but I just don't reach for it that often. So now we will try this one, because I'm actually very curious. It's just like a hairbrush, right? So I can put it on hot air or cool air, and let's see. Guys, to be honest with you, I don't really see the point of this one. I suppose it's again when you have white hair, or when your hair is almost dry, so you just need that finishing touch to go through your hair with a hot brush in order to make it smooth and tangle free. But this one did not really glide through my hair, as you could have seen. I suppose this is really good when you have already naturally straight hair, when your hair is almost dry and then you need a little extra just to finish the styling, you know. But for someone like me who has a bit unruly hair, I really don't see how I could use it regularly. I mean, it's not really useful or handy personally to me, so I'm just going to switch to another one, which is this one. Should I try this one as well? Click! Okay, to be honest with you, I never ever used this, so let's see. As I've said, I have my curling one that I use that gives way better effect, way more visible. I don't know, I feel like this isn't really doing much. No. No, this really isn't doing much, as you can see. So when I want to curl my hair, I have my curling wand that I've used for years now. It's by GHD, and I'm very happy with it because in a matter of a couple of seconds, literally, I have really nice waves or curls, whatever I want to achieve. But this one here, I tested it out now, and as you can see, my hair is still flat, you know. So it's not really satisfying. Then we have this little tool here. Let's see how this will work. Okay, so here we have a little bit of result. Now we're talking, right? See where we are going with this one, and I think this one could be really nice for styling my hair, in just making it a bit more voluminous, and obviously styling my side bangs. I believe this one is going to be even better because it will glide through my hair more easy than this one, because this one has more bristles, so it's a little bit harder, I believe. And now I'm going to try this one, which I already used a couple of times and I figured I really like it. So let me use it. Yeah! So you're just supposed to pick a very, very narrow little strands of hair. So yeah guys, basically these two are my favorite tools from this kit here that I use regularly. Well, a little bit less this one, a little bit more often this one, but I really like them, especially now that I have these short front pieces that I really like to style, so they have a little bit of a wave or a little bit of a flow, should we say so. And I think this is very, you know, easy and effortless way to achieve such a look. So I'm very happy. I have to say that this kit is going to be great for someone who has like medium length hair, short hair and already straight hair, because you can, you know, blow dry your hair, straighten your hair, curl your hair with all these tools. However, because I already have very long hair and as I've said, my hair texture is a little bit more complicated, so I really need a good, you know, straightening tool. I have my GHD, and then for curling my hair I use GHD again. So I already have these tools, that's why I don't really find myself reaching for these other tools. I just find they don't really give me that effect that I have when using the tools that I already have. But as I've said, these two are for me great, and only because of this I think the purchase is definitely worth, because as I've said, it's actually a very inexpensive kit and I've had it for a while now. I'm sure I've had it for over 2 years and it's still in a perfect condition, works great as new basically. One thing though, this brush does not rotate. I know there are some similar hot air brushes that actually rotate. This one doesn't, it just like blows hot air, so that's everything that it does. But it's very handy to use and it doesn't tangle your hair up, so it's really nice. Aesthetically and quality wise, I would really recommend it to you guys. I'm personally very happy, and they do have another thing from Lidl that I purchased. I believe it's Christina Aguilera's line, hot brush actually. It's really nice for styling your hair, especially if you want to like straighten it a little bit, to get that more polished effect, polished look put together, you know. So yeah, that one is also really nice. So guys, I hope this review was helpful. I know that Lidl really often rotates these products and has amazing beauty products in their offer actually. Not only hairstyling tools but also beauty products. I find that they also have really nice beauty products. Maybe recommend you some of my favorites if you want to in another video. So please guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. That way you can support me, and if you share this video on your social medias, you can help my little channel grow a little bit, which really motivates me and it makes me happy. Now I'm sending all the biggies from Croatia. I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao!